Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to make apple pies, step-by-step tutorial for beginners. If you're new here, welcome and welcome back to Beyond Aroma of Kenya, where I make simple and easy recipes perfect for ordinary families. This recipe is perfect for breakfast and for snacking. Make sure you subscribe to support me to create more videos like this. Have you subscribed to my channel though? If you haven't, I'll give you a few seconds to do so you can support me to create more videos. Did you subscribe? Thank you, and let's get straight to today's video. Right here I have 2 cups of flour, all-purpose wheat flour, and then right here I have a mixing bowl. And then I'm going to add my flour in. Two cups of flour is 32 tablespoons if you don't have a cup. And then right here I have my margarine, half a cup, 8 tablespoons. So for the margarine you can use butter, and then again you can freeze it. I'm going to add my margarine in. And then I'm going to add in some sugar, 1 tablespoon. For me, I'm going to add 1 and just a quarter. And then my hands are clean. Make sure your hands are clean. I already washed my hands. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with my hand, and then I'm going to mix this up well to crumble it. So here we are going to need a little bit tougher dough, not so soft like that one of a chapati. You're going to need cold water. You can add some water in the fridge and chill it there for maybe 30 minutes or 1 hour. Yes, or you can melt some ice cubes if you have that. I'm going to add in 1 1/4 cup of water. I chilled it in the fridge like I said before. I'm going to add it in bit by bit. The cold water is mainly to make our dough flaky. And then I'm just going to go in and knead my dough as I have my water here. Just start with a cup of water, and then you can go ahead and adjust it. I recently made a visheti recipe. It's up on my channel a few months ago, and go check it out, and you're going to love that video too. You can see the texture of my dough. My dough is just ready. So this dough needs to be added to the fridge again to chill for at least an hour. I'll cover it up. So moving on, I have my apples here. I already washed them up. First I'm going to need to peel them. I already removed the core of my apple and peeled it as you've seen. I'm now going to go ahead and now chop them into cubes. And then moving on, I'm going to brown 2 tablespoons of margarine here. You can use butter again. And then again, check out my brown butter sweet potato pancakes. It's up on my channel. I have 2 recipes there. I know you're going to love. I feel like my butter is just ready. I'm going to go in with my apples now. So these apples need to cook for a little bit until the
a little tender and soft for 3 to 5 minutes. I'm now going to add in a tablespoon of sugar and a pinch of salt, brown sugar, make them nice and brown. And then again here use slow heat. My apples are almost ready. I can feel them with my spoon. They're getting softer. I just need a few more minutes. I feel like my apples are now ready. Actually here I made 3 tablespoons of sugar, sorry. I already added 1. So let me add in another 2 tablespoons. Now you can clearly see the change in my apples. They are kind of sticky. You see that? I'm going to go in with my cinnamon and then I'll mix it up. A tablespoon that is not heaped. Make sure you add your cinnamon when your apples are still on top of a stove, so your apples can absorb the cinnamon. Now you see how this looks. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and transfer this mixture somewhere and then I'll let it cool. And then right here my dough is now ready. It's chilled enough. Moving on, I'll transfer my dough over here. I don't know, I want to show you the texture of my dough. I feel like I need to just make balls out of this. Okay, so I managed to make here 15 balls in total. I balanced them and then I covered them for at least 10 minutes. So I'm going to flatten my ball using my rolling pin again. And this is the thickness here. I'm going to go in with my filling now. And then I'm going to fold it like this. So you see, I left a little bit of space here, you can see that, right? Now I'm going to press on this other side using my finger like this, just to secure it up. And then after that, now I'm going to use this finger here and this one like this. So you see, I have my thumb here and this other finger here, my index finger. When I put my fingers like this, I'm going to pick the dough in the middle of my fingers here and then I'm going to bring them in front like this. You see that? And then I'll move my finger again, bring it in front again, and again, and again like that. It's super easy. And then another way, let me first roll my dough out. To secure this is using a fork. Tablespoon of my filling in. Secure it with my finger again. I'll press on it just like I'm doing all around. And then now you can use a fork here. Just press on it around and around till the other side. You see that now? Now you just push this one in like this. Okay. Again, in. As you move your finger, and then you have a perfect pie here. I chose to secure them mostly this way, you see that? To make sure that the filling that we have in doesn't drip when you're baking them, I'm going to go ahead and let them settle in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. So moving on, I'm going to spread some oil on this baking tray to grease it up with some butter. My margarine, I mean. Okay, so after chilling my pies in the fridge for at least 20 minutes, I already removed them now. And then another thing that you must not forget to do is to ventilate your pies. You see that? And then I'll use my spoon over here to spread my egg. You can add in some water or some milk. Ventilation is a must, don't forget that. So I'm going to preheat the oven and then I'll bake it for 20 to 35 minutes. I'm going to flip them or turn them over so the other side can cook too. I glazed them with sugar. And this is how the inner part of this looks. Let's now move on to the taste test. Oh, this filling is just so good. The pie really absorbed it and this is so good, you guys. You have to try this recipe. Check out my cinnamon rolls recipe. I can't even control myself. Check out my cinnamon rolls recipe and check out my other videos on my channel. Check out the playlist that I created on my channel and kindly subscribe to support me to create more videos. See you in my next video. Bye. And remember to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss my new uploads. Thanks for watching again and see you in my next video. Bye.